I watch as my mommy colors with her fast forward crayons, and she colors with her fast forward hands. But it's okay, 'cause it's working kinda good as she colors. Her crayons are moving so fast, and her hands are moving so fast, and her drawings come out so fast, and your mind is going so fast as you try to guess the pun. Come on, you gotta try to guess the pun. I'm singing for my mommy, 'cause some people say her voice is kinda creepy, 'cause it's kinda too deepy. She's got that bass in her voice. I said that bass in her voice. Some sing soprano, some sing alto, but my mommy's got that bass. I said she's got that deep bass. One last drawing. I hope you guess the pun as my mommy colors. It's supposed to be the end of this punny song, so this drawing's taken long. So I guess I have to repeat. One last drawing. I hope you guess the pun as my mommy colors. I'll shut my mouth now and give you 30 seconds to try to guess her pun. I hope you don't pause it. Olive, you berry, mutt. Olive, you berry, mutt. Olive, you berry, mutt. I love you very much. I love you very much.